Namaskar children. Are you ready for an adventure today? No, not to the mountains or beaches, but deep into the heart of a forest. Grab your imaginary backpacks because we are going on a nature trail. We'll explore trees, birds, insects, animals and uncover the magical web that connects them all. First, let's locate our destination. It's Pachmadi, a forest gem in Madhya Pradesh, home to amazing wildlife and rich biodiversity. What is a nature trail? A nature trail is a special walk through nature. It's not about speed, it's about seeing, listening, and feeling the life all around you. We explore chirping birds, buzzing insects, tall trees, and the little secrets of the forest. And guess what? Everything in nature is connected like a web, just like a spider's web. If one part breaks, the whole thing is affected. Children, have you seen a hornbill with a helmet-shaped beak or a giant squirrel with a red bushy tail? Look closely at their beaks, claws and tails. These are special features called adaptations. They help the animal find food, climb trees or escape danger. Now think and answer. What animal do you see around your home and what makes them unique? As a good citizen, we all know our responsibilities and follow rules for our safety and keep our surrounding clean and peaceful. In the forest where we are on nature trail, we must follow some jungle rules. What we have to do is walk quietly, observe and respect animals. And what we should avoid? Don't litter, don't pluck flowers, don't feed wild animals. When we respect nature, nature welcomes us back. As you see food web on the screen, this food web shows how plants, deer, lion and vultures are linked. If any one part is removed, the balance of nature is disturbed. It teaches us that all living beings, even the smallest grass, plays an important role in the circle of life. This is the web of life. If one disappears, the whole web becomes weak. That's why every creature matters, big or small. Next time you are at a park or even your terrace, become a bird detective. Look for color of feathers, shape of beak, how it flies, eats or sings. Write your observations in your bird diary. It's like your bird journal. Let's try something magical by making a leaf photograph. The steps are as follows. Place a leaf under a white sheet. Rub a crayon gently over it. Look, a beautiful pattern appears. The leaf's signature. Every leaf is different, just like every one of you is special and unique. Let's rewind our trail. Nature is full of surprises. Birds, trees and insects. All living things are connected. We must protect nature like it's our own family. Remember this ancient saying? Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The whole world is one family. And you are now part of the green family of Earth. This evening, take a walk with your parents or siblings. observe two birds or two plants. Draw them, write what you saw and share it with your class next time. It's a time to say bye to you all. Thank you for joining me on this magical forest trip. Remember, the more you look, the more you learn. Nature is always talking through the rustling leaves, the flapping wings and the buzzing bees. We just have to listen. See you on your next adventure. Till then, do remember to walk gently and observe deeply. Namaskar.